Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I have my rolling road, so I've got a few little jobs I want to do before I set off. One of which is to try and sort out why this rev counter isn't working. I'm hoping there's just a loose connection somewhere and I can just crimp the wires up and be done with that. So that is the first thing I've got to do. I've also got to clean the car. It's not essential, but I just want to try and add some areas of protection to some places, and it's very, very dusty. Unfortunately, the weather today is a bit grim. So let's get the dash back out and let's try and connect everything back up, and maybe I'll even get around to installing this stereo today as well. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, unfortunately the GoPro froze on me, so I'm not sure what you got. So I've cut into this signal wire quite short. I've connected it using a little connector. I've then pushed the green wire through into the engine bay. So that green wire is here. There's plenty of it. I want to connect that to the negative of the coil. Right, that's connected up now. All in through nicely. Let's go and try, see if that works now. So I'm kind of decided on, if this doesn't work now, this gauge is faulty. Because I've changed everything that needs changing to get it to work. Let's try and just get it in place. I need two hands for this. Okay, let's try it. Not in gear. I'm gonna say that gauge is faulty. Oh man, my oil pressure and voltage are working great. So unfortunately, I'm gonna leave this video here. Now, this is gonna be my plea to help. Am I missing anything? The black wire is to earth, the red is to the ignition live, and the green is to the negative of the coil. Have I missed something? Have I wired something up incorrectly? If I have, please let me know in the comments, because I'd really like it to work, because I have 3 matching gauges then. Yeah, I'm a little gutted really. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you can help me out, then please comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Really means a lot to me, and hopefully we can continue to grow as we have been doing. So yeah, all the best. See you guys soon.